Welcome to the best picks. The best 10-meter antenna is probably one of the most exciting bands for amateur radio operators, offering a sweet spot for both local and long-distance communication. Its unique propagation characteristics can lead to some incredible DX contacts. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 10-meter antennas, exploring what makes them tick and how to choose the perfect one for your setup. Number 5. Stryker SR, a 10mm magnetic mount antenna. This is the Stryker SR, a 10mm antenna. It's designed for CB and 10-meter radio use. It's a reliable choice for clear communication. Inside, it features 6-gauge solid copper wire with a 100% silver plate. This ensures efficient signal transmission and reception. The quality materials make it durable. The antenna has an extremely efficient high-Q coil. This design helps to maximize the antenna's performance. It's built for optimal signal strength. It comes with a powerful 5-inch diameter magnetic base. This provides a secure and stable mount on your vehicle. It's easy to install and use. This antenna boasts a 10,000 watt power handling capability. It's built to handle high power, ensuring it can perform under demanding conditions. The antenna is a powerful tool. The product is backed by a 2-year warranty. This offers peace of mind, knowing that the manufacturer stands behind its quality. You're covered for any potential issues. It features a 62-inch stainless steel whip. This contributes to the antenna's overall performance and durability. It's built to last. What we like. This antenna boasts an impressive 10,000 watts power handling capability. Its efficient coil design ensures optimal performance. If you are looking for a reliable antenna that can handle high power and deliver strong signals, this is the one for you. What people say. I was able to get good SWRs well above and below 11 CB channels. I am a licensed ham. The whip is very flexible. Even with the extra height over the lil, it makes much less noise when it smacks tree limbs. I installed the Stryker, keyed it up, and the meter read 1.1 on channel 1 and 1.2 SWR on channel 40. No adjustments, wow. Number 4. Stryker SRA 1010 meter mirror mount antenna. Introducing the Stryker SRA 10 antenna. This antenna is designed for optimal performance and durability. It's a reliable choice for your communication needs. The antenna features a paper white backlight, ensuring clear visibility even during the day. This feature enhances the user experience, making it easy to read. This antenna is built to withstand the elements, with a floating waterproof design rated IPX8JIS8. It is designed to be fully submersible, giving you peace of mind in various conditions. The package weight is just 1.08 pounds, making it easy to handle and install. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise on performance, offering a powerful signal. It boasts a higher power handling capability of up to 10,000 watts. This feature ensures it can handle high-power transmissions, providing reliable performance. What we like. This antenna offers high-power handling in a compact and lightweight package. Its waterproof design makes it perfect for various environments. If you need a durable and reliable antenna for mobile use, this is a great choice. What people say. Works very well. Signal strength is out of this world. Easy to use and install. Quality is super. I set it up using the 20 shaft because that's how it arrived, and after checking SWR I needed to shorten the whip, so I decided to remove half the shaft and make it 10 and rechecked SWR, and it came out to a 1.3 overall with the shortest setting. Bolted it on in Mince AMD without even tuning, had great SWR reading, tuned very easy, and now I'm at a 1.4 and a 1.3 on channel 1 AMD 40. Easiest quickest results I've ever gotten out of CB antenna. Number 3. VECTORCOM S327N 10M and CB mobile antenna kit. This is the VECTORCOM S327N, a mobile antenna kit designed for both CB and 10-meter radios. It's a versatile solution for your communication needs. The S327N is suitable for various radios, including Anytone Smart CB radio and Anytone at 5555N. It's also compatible with other 10M and CB ham radios. This kit includes a mount CB antenna. It's built to provide reliable performance for your mobile communication setup. The antenna features a durable stainless steel whip. This ensures the antenna's longevity and efficient signal transmission. The antenna offers a tunable frequency range of 25.6 to 30.2 MHz. It comes with a default frequency of 26 to 28 MHz, providing flexibility for different communication needs. The kit includes a 3M RG58 coaxial cable with a PL259 plug. This ensures a secure and efficient connection for optimal performance. What we like. This antenna offers a tunable frequency range, making it versatile for different needs. The stainless steel whip ensures durability. If you are looking for an easy-to-install and adaptable antenna for your CB or 10-meter radio, consider this one. What people say. Works great with 10M radios, but don't fool yourself about the CB frequencies, it won't pick up those. Nice quality. This is an excellent antenna. I'm a ham operator, general class. KN4AGN. It has a nut to move up and down to change the SWRs, and it works very well. I use it for both, 10 and 11 meters. Everyone says I sound very loud and clear. I run 100 watts 10 meters, and 120 watts on 11. It looks like a quarter-wave antenna, and gets a surprisingly good radiation pattern. Number 2. TWAYRDIO 20 feet 100W CB base station antenna. This is the TWAYRDIO CB base station antenna. It's a heavy-duty antenna designed for 10 and 11 meter CB radio transceivers. This antenna is built to last and provide excellent performance. The antenna operates within a frequency range of 26 to 28 MHz, with a bandwidth of 2 MHz. It has an input impedance of 50 ohms and a VSWR less than 1.5. This ensures efficient signal transmission and reception. With a 3.5 dB gain and a maximum power input of 100 watts, this antenna is designed for optimal performance. It's approximately 20 feet long and weighs about 6.2 pounds, making it a substantial piece of equipment. The antenna features an SO 239 connector and is constructed from 6 sections of aluminum alloy and 3 stainless steel radials. This combination ensures durability and a long lifespan, even in outdoor environments. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a screwdriver. The antenna is pre-tuned, so no further adjustments are needed. Simply choose a suitable location and get ready to enjoy enhanced communication. The package includes the antenna, mounting brackets, and stainless steel radials. If you have any questions about the setup, feel free to contact the seller for assistance. They are ready to help you. What we like. This antenna provides a 3.5 dB gain, ensuring a strong signal. The aluminum alloy construction enhances its outdoor lifespan. If you are looking for a high-performance, pre-tuned base station antenna, this is an excellent option. What people say. Perfect. I run a Stryker 655 and it just hooked up and tuned to 1.1 SWR. Nothing needed to be done. Now. He could talk to people all the way from California. That's over 2,500 or 3,000 miles away. This antenna reaches so far. 1.1:1 SWR right out of the box. Easy assembly with just a Phillips head screwdriver. Impressed with its receive and transmit performance on 11 meters. Number 1. Shark SF10 10-meter mobile vertical antenna. Introducing the Shark Hamstix SF10 antenna. This antenna is designed for mobile use and operates on the 10-meter band. It's a great choice for amateur radio enthusiasts. This antenna is a single-band antenna. It features a fiberglass mast that measures 44 inches with an integral coil and an adjustable stainless steel whip. It is designed for optimal performance on a single band. The Shark Hamstix SF10 can handle up to 250 W of power. This makes it suitable for a variety of radios. It's built to last and perform reliably. The antenna has a 3/8x24 thread base. This makes it compatible with many different mounts. This allows for flexible installation options. You can create a horizontally opposed dipole or use a quad mount. You can even work DX with ease. Please note that the mount is not included. What we like. This antenna is designed for single-band performance, ensuring focused signal transmission. Its compact design allows for flexible mounting options. If you like a simple and effective antenna for a specific band, this is a great choice. What people say. It's an antenna, it's tunable, and it works. Easy to manually tune by adjusting the whip and checking SWR. Have gotten to Hawaii and Europe with 40 to 50 watts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.